Hi, and welcome to this Odoo lesson. With an operational manufacturing process like the one we have at Stealthy Wood, I can turn my attention to my manufacturable product sales. With Odoo features, I can set up automatic behaviors when someone buys a product that I need to manufacture or when I need some components for my production. It's something really useful for me as it helps me save time and avoid any bottlenecks due to missing material. By setting it up, every time someone buys a product I need to manufacture, my database will automatically create a related manufacturing order for said product. Similar to that, it will generate requests for quotations for components or products I need from my vendors. Doing so, I'll only have to validate it, and then I can begin work in a snap. Now let's see how I can implement it in Stealthy Wood's database so I can focus on manufacturing my goods. Okay, so here we are on my database for my company, Stealthy Wood. Now I want to go ahead and be sure that I have an automated process for one of the products that I do manufacture, my table, which is make to order. So I'm going to check out the product template to be sure everything is set correctly. So I'm going to go to any application that has my product list. In this case, I'm going to go to Sales, Products, and then I'm going to search for the product in particular, which is table. Okay, and this is my make to order table. I'm going to select this. Now under the inventory tab, I want to be sure that I have this marked as make to order and manufacture because of course I do manufacture this product and I want the manufacturing order to be generated automatically when someone purchases this item from me. So I need to make it sure that it's selected as make to order as well. Now, I do have a BOM created for this product. I talk about that in another video in more detail. So be sure you have a BOM created if you need to manufacture this in your own database. Okay, and one of the components that I have as part of that BOM is also make to order, but I need to purchase it rather than manufacture. So I'm going to check out that product template as well to be sure it's good to go. So it's my table leg. Okay, I'm going to click on the inventory tab. I have make to order and buy because as I said, I need to buy this and not manufacture it, but I do want to order it as someone orders the main product from me. Okay, and I want that request for quotation to be generated automatically as well. So I also need to be sure that under my purchase tab, I have a vendor selected because we need to know who to send that RFQ to. Okay, so now let's create a quotation for my make to order table and see the whole flow. So we're going to go to orders, quotations, create. Okay, Nicole Ford is going to purchase this table. Okay, and she only wants one. We'll go ahead and confirm this. Now let's check out our delivery order. As you can see, it's waiting on another operation, and that will be the manufacturing order. So we'll go to manufacturing where the MO was automatically generated. As we see here, we have two. We have our table, which is the product that she ordered. We also have a secondary manufacturing order that was automatically generated here as well, because I have this tabletop here to manufacture as part of the BOM for my main table. Now, I talk about that again more in the BOMs video, so be sure you check that out. So let's go ahead to our tabletop, check the availability. We're going to produce this item, record the production. Okay, mark it as done. And once this tabletop is done, we can then check the availability for our products for the table itself. So we have everything except for the table leg. And that's because we set this product as make to order to be purchased. So what will happen is a RFQ will automatically be generated in our purchase application. So we'll go to purchase. Okay, we'll be sure we select the correct purchase order. Okay, in this case, I have my table leg. And I'm going to go ahead and confirm this and receive the products and validate. Okay, I'm going to automatically apply the done quantities. Okay, now once I have this validated, I can go back to my manufacturing application to this MO, and the product is automatically reserved for this MO specifically. So how convenient is that? It's so easy. All of these MOs and RFQs are generated automatically. And from here, we can go ahead, create the work order, and start production. Okay, so let's go ahead, start working. We have our time tracked, everything here. We're super fast though, so let's go ahead and click on done. The production is finished. Let's go back to our manufacturing order, mark it as done, and then we'll go to our sales order to see what it looks like, okay? So orders, okay, it's Nicole Ford. Let's go to our delivery. We see that this delivery is now ready since we completed the whole process. We've manufactured this item, and then we can go ahead and validate the delivery right here. I'm going to apply the reserved quantities, and the whole flow is done. It's as simple as that. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching.